Today, Amy is off doing a little moto loop out and back just to experience some of the Stanley riding. And I am hiking up towards McGowan Peak, looking for Ladyface Falls, which I haven't seen in 20 plus years. It's good to be back though. Although it is smoky, it's still beautiful. McGowan Peak in the center there, the meadow. One of the many little boardwalks to go through the meadows to keep the trails hikeable. And we're still in the meadow, but a little more shade here now. Headed towards Ladyface Falls and Bridal Veil Falls. Breaking out the new Stanley t-shirt for this hike, appropriately because I am in Stanley. Picked this up in a cool sticker for our van at Riverware store last night, right in the heart of Stanley. As we start to get some elevation here. So yeah, just trying to represent for the locals. Well, this is a rarity, finding some raspberries on right along the trail. Usually these get munched up pretty quick by all the passerbys, but they're not exactly the ripest. But I'll take them. Well, after a turnaround from seeing the two mountain bikers, I'm on a very steep ascent to Ladyface Falls. Very steep. Well, that is the backside of McGowan Peak. And this is the really steep ascent up to the falls. If you can even hear me, so I'm gonna yell above video voice. But there it is, Bridal Veil. Nice. I don't know if I can sound over the waterfall, but I'm going to try to, otherwise this is going to be a voiceover. Get them, they're over there. You know, that kind, from the Kung Fu series. There it is. Pretty cool, really steep. Wasn't sure I could get up here. Wasn't sure I could get down. But I think I got it. Well, funny enough, turns out I completely missed the sign coming up this way for Ladyface Falls. And ironically, coming down, I ran into my wife on a dirt bike. She kind of got skunked on a couple trails up where she was trying to ride, and I sent her up where I was to ride to the wilderness boundary because it's kind of a fun trail. I found Ladyface. It's that roaring sound behind me. Well, it turns out Ladyface Falls is actually above where I originally started, and pretty cool. I was originally down this chasm. Thank you again for coming along our adventures. Give us the thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.